Here are the steps to connect Core to a derivatives DEX. For this example, we're going to use EMDX. EMDX is a decentralized derivative protocol built on Avalanche with an in-house DEX spot exchange which enhances cross-fi liquidity. It's a one-stop shop where you can find several highly liquid derivative products. Perpetual contracts, futures, and spot products are all currently available for all types of investors, and you can execute trades in numerous different ways. Navigate to app.emdx.io and click Connect Wallet in the upper right-hand corner. This will open up a prompt in the Core extension to connect the wallet to the site. Click Approve. Once your wallet is connected, it will notify you and tell you this in the upper right-hand corner, and it will also display your wallet address. Always make sure to double check this. Once you've done this, click Markets, and this will display all of the products that are available to use. If you open up AVAX USDC, here you can place long and shorts, as well as numerous other transactions. You can control your leverage, your slippage, and you can open a position to track. As a side note, this is not financial advice, and I would highly recommend to every user checking out their docs as well as their YouTube tutorials for a better understanding of exactly what they offer. You can click Markets Data, and this will open up a bunch of different statistics that are available for users to review. If you'd like to disconnect your wallet, simply click your wallet address up here and select Disconnect, and your wallet will be disconnected. For any additional questions, please reach out to support.avox.network, and an Ava Labs team member would be happy to assist you.